Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm going to be practicing some almond nails using this Competition Formula 3000 Advanced Formula Polymer. The color is called Totally Natural and the brand is OPI. Now this is a very good powder. I really like it. I think it's great for beginners because it doesn't work too fast, but it doesn't work too slow. So I'm showing you all the different products and tools that I'm going to be using for today's video. I'll leave a list of things down below, but for the most part I got all my tools and products from either Boots, Superdrug, Amazon, eBay, or Hollywood Nails or Nail Nails. Also Glitter Planet. I've recently discovered Glitter Planet. So as a beginner, I think it's best to start off simple. Now I did make a mistake buying this powder in the beginning because it was 660 grams and I didn't know how it was going to perform at first. So generally I would not recommend that, but in this case it turned out to be a good mistake because I actually like the powder. I like the way the powder looks and feels and smells and behaves. Now you're not supposed to smell it. You are supposed to wear PPE, which is a face mask, your gloves and your apron. Many don't, but as a nail tech, if you want to protect yourself, that is what you're supposed to wear. Also, they have a thing called a dust collector. I don't have one just yet, but I will get one in the future. Also, always work with the door and the window open. You don't want to inhale all that dust and acrylic and monomer, because it can be dangerous for your lungs in the long run. So primarily I think when you're starting out you should be focusing on your acrylic application, your shaping and your filing, and that's what I'm going to try to do in today's video. So this is not a tutorial, it is more of a watch me train video. So I am learning on the go and I am documenting my journey. So if you guys can relate, if you're in the same boat, or maybe not, maybe you're a bit more advanced, if you have any tips and tricks, please leave them down below in the comment section. And I'm going to basically work on my techniques, work on my hobby. Please excuse my chewing in this video. I thought that my head was out of the camera frame, but it was not. And I do 2 coats at the end, just letting you know that I do 2 coats of nail polish at the end and gloss, and I try to make the hands look pretty. Obviously there's some steps that I skip because this is a practice hand and not a real human hand. So for example, the prep and prime, I skip that step. But in real life, if this was a real human hand, you'd have to prep and prime the nails first before applying the acrylic. I'm not going to keep talking the whole way through because it's kind of no point, so I'm going to leave you to enjoy the video, but don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. way that I would improve my nails in the future is making sure that my nails match up in length, thickness and the smoothness of the acrylic application.